emergency sa Maynila. Kahapon in-announce niyo po ito, pero kailan po ito officially magsisimula?
I think yesterday I talked to Vice Mayor Chi Atienza at mga pusihal na today kung po pwede on their inaugural session, after that kung po pwede ipasa nila sa lalong madaling panahon nang maabatan natin yung mga malalaki pang masamang epekto ng pagtambak ng basura. And as we all know yesterday, bumitaw na yung dalawang contractor o rolling contractor ng basura ng syudad, and we cannot take it sitting down. Hindi na makakayanin ng DPS at MMDA lang ang hauling ng basura. And that will kakalat na kakalat. In fact, Marisa, since yesterday at 2 p.m. up to 12 midnight kagabi, umakot na ang UNEL, DPS at MMDA na humigit kumulang ng 1-day volume ng siyudad ng Manila. But there is still a lot since last night up to 1 a.m. Nag-ikot pa ako katulad sa Rizal Avenue, Avenida, Hermosa, Juan Luna, at iba't ibang bahagi ng Sampaloc, Santa Ana. Marami pa mga tumpukan na basura. So we will continue, and it has to be today, hopefully, with the help of the leadership of Vice Mayor Chi Atienza in the City Council.
So Yorme, gaano pa karaming tonelada ang kailangang makakot dyan sa buong Maynila? Sinasabi niyo po yung iba't ibang lugar na kailangan yung puntahan within the day. Pero gaano pa karami po yun?
Well, let's do this in a simple mathematics. No? Kung halimbawa, 4 na araw o 3 araw o 1 linggo, hindi nakukuha, at nag-average tayo ng 2,000 to 2,500 metric ton every day. So just imagine if we only collected yesterday about 2,500, meron tayong lag na about 5,000 metric ton ng basura na nasa kalsada pa. Plus, of course, the daily production ng garbage sa mga household, no? Araw-araw yan. So, more or less, kayawan Diyos with the effort of MMDA, DPS, and Hawkers, MTPB, Engineering, at of course yung UNEL na napag-usapan natin, maglalas pa to ng mga 3 to 5 days para mag-normalize yung garbage collection system. So, we are hoping before the end of the week, the garbage crisis will be done or finished by Saturday, hopefully.
At itanong ko lang po ngayon tungkol dito sa contractor sa paghahakot ng basura sa Maynila. Sumulat sa iyo at voluntaryong nag-terminate ng kontrata ang Fileco at Metro Waste. Magiging liable pa po ba sila doon sa mga hindi nila natugunan na trabaho at dapat po kasi hanggang end of the year yung kanilang kontrata?
Well, that's the least of our problem now. We wanted to act based on facts. They stop, we need to collect. May problemang mangyayari at may dulot na masama sa kalusugan ng tao bayan. Yun ang immediate concern namin ngayon. Now, whoever is responsible, whether former officials or members of the former administration, saka ko na yun na bibigyan ng panahon. Ngayon, ang mahalaga muna yung kaligtasan ng mga bata at kaligtasan ng mga matatanda, kaligtasan ng may mga sakit dahil yung sani ay basura at masamang epekto ito sa kalusugan nila. So, tao muna, Maris, and we'll talk about it later. But for the meantime, we'll focus on the problem, which is the garbage crisis. But yes, later on.